got to do some really awesome stuff. And it was about that time that I came across this book called The 4 Hour Work Week. And for those of you that don't know, it's basically, I was looking at it yesterday and it was actually published in 2007. So it's a while ago now. But essentially, the idea behind it was building an online business, working from home, living that sort of laptop lifestyle, working from anywhere, like you are, Sam, living that dream. And I think the actual model was drop shipping, which again, people are talking about drop shipping now like it's a new thing, which I always smile about. But yeah, that sort of ignited my journey into, oh, okay, wow, that sounds pretty good to me. And so it sort of kickstarted my mission to, yeah, start an online business.
Fantastic.
And so, yeah, my first online business, actually, I've told a couple of my clients this that I've worked with previously, but my first online business was actually, I decided I was interested in fashion. So I thought, that would be a good idea for me to do. I'll go out and I'll launch an online fashion website. So got my website, Shopify, again, quite 10 years plus now, still going strong. Went to a trade show, found a supplier, bought some stock, and I was on my way. And so, like a lot of you people starting out, I thought, oh, well, the hard work's done now. I've got my website, I've got the stock, I've got my idea, I thought of a business name, now the sales will just start, rolling in. Little did I know, yeah, that's really when the hard part begins. It's all about marketing and how do you find your customer and do people even want what you're selling? All of those things that, in the passion of the idea, you sort of looking back and thinking, oh, okay. But yeah, it was, long story short, the business didn't work out, sadly, but I learned a lot about starting a business. Actually, it was the first time I started working with a coach, so that was a great experience in itself. Yeah, so learned a lot, but that's really where I sort of decided that digital marketing, that's what I wanted to do, and that sort of specifically SEO and Google Ads. That's sort of what I was interested in. So then I started looking into, okay, I bought all this stock, had trouble selling it. I went to markets, I did Facebook, kept hearing about SEO and Google Ads, but it all seemed a bit too complicated at the time. So did all the things, as a first business owner does, tried it, made mistakes, put too much pressure on myself and felt awful. And that roller coaster that you have as a first time business owner, it's not easy. Definitely. I ended up working at an SEO agency for a while, which was a really good learning experience in itself. And then, yeah, in terms of finding out about AOE, um, when they announced that Amazon was coming to Australia, I thought, oh, okay, that seems like, uh, started looking for information about that, and that's when I found Neil on YouTube and started my Amazon journey.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of 2,500 members and growing. We're the fastest growing community of professional e-commerce sellers right here in Australia. With sales, by the way, of over $50 million. $50 million, holy crap. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and how we can help you build your own e-commerce business too, get off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description. And thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.